So now that we're in the Delta, it's important, I think, that I show you some rice. This is the most important crop in the Delta. You can see people here in the distance working in the fields. They're actually harvesting the rice. This rice, the field here, you notice, is kind of a golden yellow color, and that's because of the rice grains here, which I think you can see if I zoom in a little more. Just an incredible abundance and volume that can be grown in just a small amount of space here, and about a hectare now. With mechanical pumping and fertilizer, this short stem rice that you see, you can grow 3 crops a year. This is the second crop grown this year. And then towards the end of the rainy season that we're in right now, another crop can be grown that will be harvested in January before the Tet holiday, as long as you have irrigation. Hello! Kids on the motorbikes. Now, something else you see in this landscape that's also quite unique to the Mekong Delta versus other river deltas are these tombs, ancestral tombs. Probably the family that owns this plot of land next here, where you see the banana trees there planted, the grove of banana trees. And those ancestral tombs might be their parents or grandparents. And the ancestral tombs are a vital part of cultural and spiritual life in Vietnam, regardless of religion, Catholic, Buddhist, whatever. All families venerate their ancestors. And because of the water table being so high in the Delta region, all of the tombs are laid above ground. And those tombs are carefully cared for. Also in the distance over here, there's something burning you can see there, and that is the rice straw. The rice straw is burned and turned into charcoal. The charcoal is then used as a natural fertilizer. And then over here in the distance, you see people cutting up the rice straw and turning it into kind of compost. I don't know what that's used for. Maybe in some construction it's mixed in with the bricks. But these small engines, these portable engines like this, you wouldn't have seen them 25 years ago at the end of the Vietnam War. But they tend to characterize almost every aspect of the agricultural cycle here, from irrigation of water to the sometimes the harvesting, but to the plowing of the fields and to the husking of rice. Rice husking is quite important. That's where you generate the grains, and you take the husks off and separate the husks. On to Gokong.